All right, kiddos, we're going to go over your work for today. So Yoko's new skateboard is blue and red. Yoko needs an apostrophe. He also needs a capital in his name. Use a different color. Blue, that is like you blew something away. We want the color blue, and also the same with red. So your sentence should look Yoko's, move that down so you can see it, new skateboard is blue and red. The next sentence says Raul fallen off of his bike. He broke his arm. So Raul, use a capital, fell that says of, we want off. His bike. Now you could say either period there, or you could say and he broke his arm. Either one is acceptable. So I'm going to do it this way. Oop, text box went away. Raul fell off his bike. Say period. He broke his arm. Period. Or Raul fell off his bike and broke his arm. All right, number 3. So they all started with Z, so then you gotta look at the second letter, which means this one comes first, second, and third. If a rabbit is fast, a turtle, if you read the rabbit in the hair, or turtle in the hair, sorry, a turtle is slow. Which word rhymes with way? That answer is stay. Please make sure you grade it in a different color, tally it up, and let me know how many you got right. All right, day 153 in math. We are naming the shaded fraction, so there are 2 parts. Only one is shaded, so it's 1/2. 53 plus 36. The answer is 89. What is the difference between 32 and 21? So for difference, that language means we are subtracting. Hopefully you wrote that whole number sentence out. I'm going to write off to the side. Two minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So that number is equal 11. The difference is 11. 18 minus 9, if we know our double stacks, that is 9. So then 7 plus 2 would equal 9. Shapes with 3 sides have 3 angles. That is true. Write the length, 4 centimeters. Which flower had an even number of orders? So even number is 2, 4, 6, or 8. That would be a rose. Write 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems. (33 plus 59 equals, nope, 56 equals 89. 56 plus 33 equals 89. 89 minus 33 equals 56. 89 minus 56 equals 33. Those are your answers. Please mark it over here. Tell me how many you got right.